In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background of an image on Canva. If you've ever needed a clean cut out subject for a presentation, product photo, or social post, this is a quick way to get a professional result without complicated software. Start by opening your design in Canva and uploading the image you want to use. You can drag your file into the editor or use the Uploads panel, and then click the image on your canvas to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and handles around it. Clear, high-resolution photos with good contrast between your subject and the background tend to give the cleanest cutouts. So choose the sharpest version you have. With the image selected, look at the top toolbar and click Edit Photo. This opens the editing controls specifically for that picture. If you don't see Edit Photo, double check that the image itself is highlighted on the canvas. This button only appears when the image is active. In the editor panel that appears on the side, find Magic Studio or Tools, depending on your Canva layout, and click BG Remover, sometimes labeled Background Remover. The exact name can vary slightly with updates, but it's the same feature. One click is all you need to start the process. Canva now automatically removes the background. You'll see a brief progress indicator while it analyzes the image and separates the subject from what's behind it. Just let the tool finish processing. This usually takes only a few seconds, though larger files or slower connections may take a little longer. While it's working, avoid clicking away from the image so the removal can complete smoothly. When the processing is done, your subject remains and the background disappears, leaving a clean, transparent area. In Canva, transparency often appears as a light checkerboard, which simply means here is no background filling that space. This makes it easy to place your subject over a solid color, a gradient, another image, or any design element in your project, without the original background getting in the way. If the result isn't exactly what you expected, that's usually a sign the photo had very similar colors between the subject and the background. Soft focus or fine, wispy edges like hair or fur. In those cases, choosing a clearer image with stronger separation typically improves the result. That's it. Thanks for watching.